Alright, this is Acer Nitro 5. It suddenly, like after my son turned it off, it wasn't working anymore. I get a new battery just to see if that was working. I was like doing some research saying that I had to reset. It has a reset button on the back for the battery in case like there is like a surcharge or anything. So it didn't work. So what I did is like just check how to bypass the power button to see like if the keyboard is working. So the keyboard wasn't working. How you do it is like after you take the back off, you plug it in, and then this is the keyboard. You have to take they have to take the keyboard off, and then you see that is the first LED with the screwdriver. You can just touch it to turn it on. Alright, let's do this driver. There you go. You see, it's turning on. Now it's working. I put a keyboard, a wireless keyboard. So now the thing is just to switch the keyboard. That's it. Easy fix. Thank you.